Hi there, and welcome to Unboxing Canada with Adil Ouda, again with a new box from this time it's from Amazon. So this time here, it's something different. But first, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like, and click on that notification bell here so that you can be notified when there is new product to be unboxed. So this time is something different. So I did not buy this product, but it was a friend that's not even here in Canada who bought this from me, and I gave him my address. He bought it for me, and it came to the box to the door here as a gift. So we're gonna open it together here and see what's in it, right? I love gifts, by the way. Yeah. First, so surprising. I think he's one of the audience, by the way. He's one of the audience who's watching this channel, Unboxing Canada. So he thought that he wants to help out. So let's see what kind of help he's helping this channel. So one of the things that I need to get, again, as I told you, is the opener to open the boxes, which I always forget about. I only remember it when I unbox the product. That's it. So I'm using a pen right now to unbox it. Oh, okay. So this box has been here for a week now, lying. And my friend, that guy, he's always sending me a message. Did you open the box? Did you open the box? Did you open the box? I say, no, not yet. I'm so busy. Oh, let me get this away. All these document papers and stuff. Okay, so I didn't open it from the front side just because the address. I don't want to show it to everyone. I don't want everyone to send me gifts. No, guys, you can send me gifts. Don't worry. Just reach me out at our channel unboxing.com, unboxingcanada.com, and then you can find my contacts there. If you're sending a gift, I'll give you my address. Okay, so we have two products here, two things here in the box. As you can see here, that's two things. And one of the thing, what is this? Papers. Okay, what are these? Oh, here, it's called a gift note from, the friend name is Fawaz. So I don't know if the camera shows. It doesn't show, I think. But yeah, it's a gift note. Do you guys see it? Is it because of the light? No? You guys see it? No. Okay, whatever. So maybe I'll take a video of it so you can see it. So the guy who sent it to us. So come on. So the gift was sent from Fawaz Ahmed, and he's saying, enjoy your gift from Fawaz. Thank you, Fawaz. Thank you, Fawaz, for your gift. We'll see what's in it. And so two boxes. So first of all, we'll go in the first one. So let's see the first product, or the first thing, or the first gift he got me. Aha! Wow! What? That's Ultra 4K Sports. That's a camera, I guess. It is a camera. Cooau camera. Okay. Action camera. So Ultra HD 4K. Wireless connection. Wow. Okay. Specification is, as you can see here, it's image sensor, 20 MP, sensor. You don't like my cameras? That's why you send me a camera. Okay. Anyway, that's cool. I already bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I thought the camera would be good. But anyway, if you guys don't like my camera, so no problem, you can send me a camera. So remote control 2.4G, Wi-Fi, Android and iOS, EIS system, built-in, external, waterproof, memory, micro. Wow, I'm curious. Let's see. I wonder how much would this camera cost. Anyway, it's a gift, right? So I don't need to know. It's okay. Thanks, man. Thanks for the gift. So let's open the gift. Let's open the first gift. There are 2 gifts, by the way, in the box. So let's go ahead and open the first one here. Wow, 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 wow. This is the camera. Wow, it looks so small. Amazing, amazing. It looks amazing, really amazing. This is how it looks. You can see the lens. Wow. That's cool. Looks like something like the GoPro. But this must be amazing. Okay. This is it. Okay, it's Cooau. So Cooau. That's the name of the brand of the company. Getting started, peel the film on the camera screen and camera lens of the camera and the waterproof case. Make sure battery is full of power for the first time use. Format your SD card, not included on this camera. Press before using. So we need to get an SD card in order for us to record on this, I guess. So it has a remote control. That's amazing. So this is the remote control. This is how it is. So there is a button here for taking pictures, and then the other button here is for taking videos. That's amazing. That's cool. So let's see what else is inside the box. The box seems to be heavy. Is there like another camera? What is it? Okay, so this is the camera user manual. As you can see, I think the lighting is better right now. So this is the user manual. So you can see anything on the camera. Well, anyway, this is the user manual, and it has all the instruction information. I never read the user manual. I just start using it. And this is, what is that? Dear customers, we prepare some free presents for this who purchase our products at this period, and you are one of those lucky stars. Oh, cool. Here we have 4 gifts options for your reference, and you can choose one of them. Check the information on the back to learn how to get a gift. Okay, that's cool. So the gift will be a battery charger, a selfie stick, a float hand, or a Bluetooth earphone. That's cool. Okay, how to get the gift. Sign into your Amazon account, enter your orders, and find your order. Write your great shopping experience on the product page. So, okay. Email us with the link or screenshot of your sharing this. This is our email, support@cooau.com. We will ship the gift to you after receiving the link of your sharing. Okay, that's cool. Okay, empty box here. So let's see what is the heavy here. I thought the camera would be in this box, but that's not the camera, it's something else. What do we have here? Oh, a lot of things here. A lot of things. Wow. Battery's here. So that's the remote battery. Okay. So let's go one by one. This is a handle, I guess. Handle for the camera itself. This is a case. I always like those things, really. It protects whatever you buy. So when it comes with this one here, it's amazing. So I can just put the camera in it. Cool. So that's the case. Now here, so what are these? I think with this you get to tape it somewhere. So I think either it's like a dash camera, maybe you do it in your car or whatever, or wherever you're using it always. So So that's one. And then here, that will be the stand, I guess. Okay, is that a stand? What is that for? I don't want to go to the manual, by the way. But anyway, I think this might be for the back here to protect it. I think so. Maybe the waterproof or something. Then we got here a clip. So, a clip. What do we have here? What we have here is, let's open it. That's the first time that I get a product with all of those things in it. So 1, 2, 3, so a lot of, like 4 of these with different sizes. So that we would only know about it only when we do like when you start using the camera. So here really it's like a lot of tools. This will be a stand, so if I put this here to make it stand somewhere instead of this, if we remove this, then we attach it, well, that's another thing. Now, wow, I think this will also be for the back, right? Yeah, this goes for the back too. This is another stand. Wow, this thing is like, you know, for a cameraman, a photographer. Am I one of those yet? You guys will say, or maybe will tell me if I am one of those. Now this one here also goes at the back. That's how it looks. And it's another one. So I have to start, you know, getting used to those things. And then this is the mic. That's cool. It comes with a mic. That's amazing. That's really cool. This is one of the things that I know. So this is the mic. So I love that. It's amazing that it comes with this product. Must be a good company. And then we have here the charger wire. And then we have this, another stand, another type of stand. And then this is also another stand. Different shapes, different designs, they all come with it. It's not like, you know, other companies that tell you, you know, you need to buy this part alone, you need to buy separate parts. All of this parts came in the package itself, which is really amazing. That's cool, and it's really amazing. And then this is a battery, rechargeable battery pack. Okay, so this is the battery, and then this is also another battery. So 2 batteries. Why do we need 2 batteries? Are they the same size? Let's see. They must be the same size. They are. So as we have it here now, so I think that's why the manual is so thick, is because it's really, you need the manual in order to start, you know, start getting things together. So let's see, where do we start from? Overview, the modes, and tells you the phones, shows you the phones, the camera buttons, all the tools, tells you all the tools. Oh yeah, okay. Some of the tools here, it shows that, you know, whenever you ride like a bike, you put the helmet and you connect it to the helmet this side, and then it tells you what kind of tools for every tool. Also, if you have the helmet, you put it on the top, you know, those for bike riders and all these things. Maybe we'll try it. I'll try to ride a bike and then, you know, put it on top of me. Okay. Oh yeah, even the backs, the covers, the back here, they also show you what it is for. And they show you, it's called, it's the mounting mounting a camera. So the mount, again, even in the bike, if you don't put it on the helmet, you put it in the bike itself. So it's mainly for sports. Yes, like sports, you know, when you ride a bike. It also shows you here pictures when you swim. You can, you know, you can use it when you go for swimming too. If you go deep diving, so you can use it too. Wow, this is a lot of things, a lot of things. I really thank you for this. It might bring, you know, my videos to be like professional or 4K. I hope, the only thing that I hope is that, you know, it goes, you can connect it live to like Facebook or YouTube. It'll be amazing. It'll make it easy. So yeah, thanks. Let's see. Thank you for once again. So now, if we want to attach the battery, it's manual so much, small. Okay. So what I'll do is I will try to learn how to, you know, get along with this, or, you know, how to attach these things using the manual. And then I'll post a video about this camera in our other YouTube channel, which is called Learn With Us How To. And I'll try to teach you how to connect all these parts together on this small camera. I really thank you guys for watching. Thanks again. Thank you for your gift. And as I said, don't forget to share, subscribe, like. And you guys are always welcome to send us gifts. You can send us an email directly to info@unboxingcanada.com or .ca, and then we'll I think I'll use the email info@unboxingcanada.ca. Send me an email there, or you can go to our website unboxingcanada.ca or .com, and, you know, you can contact us through there. And if you are a company and you have a product and you want us to record a review about it, please don't forget, you know, just contact us through our website, and we'll get back to you. And yeah, thank you again, guys. And the other gift, I'll unbox it in another video, so it'll be a separate video for each product. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to be notified when there is a new video. Hasta la vista. Thank you.